This beautiful airport is known as the Entebbe International Airport, and we're here in Kampala, Uganda.
I'm right here in Uganda and I'm about boarding one of the world's largest aircraft. It's Emirates Airlines Boeing 777-300.
Right now, we're about to board the Emirates Boeing 777-300 all the way to Dubai, DXB. Speaking about the Emirates Boeing 777-300ER, let's get a tour of this beautiful white bird.
I'm on board Emirates Airlines Boeing 777-300. I'm right in Kampala or Entebbe in Uganda, flying to DXB, that's the airport code for Dubai. So it's going to be about 5 hours, 15 minutes flight today, and everything looks cool, nice. So sit back, relax as we enjoy this beautiful aircraft.
While you're here, of course, you get a good 3-course meal.
Alright, I'm right here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I'm just coming from one of the world's largest and most beautiful carrier, Emirates Airlines. I flew their A330, sorry, their Boeing 777-300 from Uganda, and we are right here now in Dubai. It's actually a very nice aircraft, beautiful aircraft. I did love the service, and most especially I'm in Dubai.
But let's take you through and walk you through the cabin. The particular plane I toured had a 3-class configuration. The first class has 8 suites, and then there is the business class, a beautiful cabin, a 42-angle flat seat, and then there is the economy class of 310 seats.
So we are right here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. To my right is beauty, to my left is beauty. Wow, this place is amazing. How you guys liking it, girls?
So good. I love it. I think it's extraordinary.
Nice. I'm loving every feeling of it. Every feeling.
Wow, just wow. Look at the beauty, the fragrance, and the aesthetics of traveling in pure comfort. This venue can be no other than the Dubai International Airport, the DXB. For starters, the Dubai International Airport in the United Arab Emirates is the world's busiest airport by international passenger traffic, and also is reputed as the 19th busiest airport in the world and one of the busiest cargo airports in all of the world. Alongside the busiest airport for Airbus A380s and Boeing 777 movements. And it also is the airport with the highest average number of passengers per flight. Dubai International Airport, or the DXB, is situated in the Al Gharair district, 2.5 nautical miles east of Dubai and spread over an area of 7,200 acres of land. The Terminals 3 is the second largest building in the world by floor space. In fact, you'd need a travel vehicle to go through one terminal to the other. And it is also the largest airport terminal in the world. Dubai International Airport has already installed the largest solar energy system in the region's airports as part of Dubai's goals to reduce 30% of the city energy consumption by 2030. What more to say about a pleasing Fleet Emirates airline? The experience here is completely surreal. You'd find a lot of professionalism, a lot of comfort. And this is only but the beginning of a greater adventure yet to come.